Buying the Bugatti, all it's done is piss me off. I need more money.
I feel super motivated. Like, it's just begun. You know what I'm saying? I'm 33, bro. When I was 25, I was fucking broke. When I was 22, I didn't even have a car. I'm 33, bro. I just bought a fucking Bugatti cash. I bought this super fast 3 days ago, cash. 12 supercars. Like,
One hypercar now.
Yeah, but like people buy cars like, oh, I've got Bugatti. It's just begun. That's nothing. I've got plenty of money left. I've got plenty of ideas. I've got plenty of work ethic. My blood's still on fire. I'm buying a yacht. 50 mil. Easy. What's 3 mil? 3.3 plus tax. What, I mean, it's chump change.
It is.
Anybody should have a Bugatti. It shouldn't even be an achievement. I don't even feel like I've achieved anything. These people out here who can't buy a Bugatti need to look in the mirror, man. It's not even a fucking thing. I've just begun. Wait till you see where I am in a year from now. Year at a time, our life changes. 1 year. None of this 5-year plan shit. 1 year. 1 year ago, we had 2 supercars. We had 2 supercars a year ago, bro.
Yep.
We had the Aston and the Lambo. Now we've got the 720S, the 812 Superfast, the 911 992, M5 fully custom, the S63 AMG, the Chiron, X6M. I can't even remember the cars we have. I literally can't even remember. And we bought cars for that rally that got crushed. We lost cars. And we're still sitting on so much money in the bank, bro. Buying the Bugatti. All it's done is piss me off. I need more money.